What's going on, YouTube? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, I had a pretty cool surprise when I got home today. I've been waiting on parts from a couple places I ordered from, so I'm really eager with the mail system. So I'm like always, when I'm coming home, I'm always like, did I get them today? Did I get them today? And on the table, my wife had got the mail, and there was a present on the table, and it was from a buddy of mine from my model car club, Mike. He actually had sent me a package, and I was super excited. I definitely never expected this, and I've been wanting this kit for quite a while now. There's two of them. There's a delivery, and there's this particular kit, and this kit is... I have not opened it yet, but what a better time to open it than like right now. I mean, let's open it on the channel and do a what's in the box review, kit review. As you can see, this here is how far I am with the Henry J. So it's coming along. It's got a ways to go. We'll put that aside. That's for another video. This is all about this kit, and a big thank you from Mike, for Mike, from Chuck's Hobby Spot. He did give me a card. It's downstairs. My wife is hanging it up, actually. So it said some nice stuff in the card, and man, I'm super excited for this kit. And Mike knew when I bought this kit, I was excited for him. Not only for him, I was actually gonna go buy this kit from Bernie, and he just has the same taste. So this kit's the 48 Chevy sedan delivery. I'm gonna adjust this a little bit so we can get a better look. It's a big box. Sorry, guys. It's made by Galaxy, and they do trailers and stuff, and they make a few kits. These particular kits, you don't see a lot of them, and I have ideas running through my head all the time when I see these kits, and me and a buddy, Chris, we were talking, man, I'd like to get one of these, and I finally got my hands on one. I can't wait to build it. I am giddy about it. So you do not know how excited I am to build this kit. And again, Mike, thank you, man. I owe you big time. So this is one of my favorite Christmas gifts right here. So let's take a look at this kit. So the box art, so check it out. You can do a racing version. It says that the parts included for the alternate model years, so I guess it gives you different grills for the 46 and 47, and of course it's a 48, so I mean, so you can do 46, 47, or 48, and we'll do like a quick stock, okay. Looks like it's got a 6-cylinder. Pretty cool kit. I'm digging on this one. So let's put this aside. Let's take a quick look at it. I'm gonna do a quick kit review on this thing, so bear with me, and hopefully I can do a good kit review on it. Let's cut this plastic off of this. Check it out. So the body looks pretty clean, man. It's nice. And everybody knows the way I do things. I always go a little custom with my stuff. We've done like one box stock build on this channel. So the body is nice. Let's even get the headliner in there. Easy to clean up the injection mold lines, easy. Let's go ahead and the next video, guys, I promise I'll do an update on the Henry J. because I also want to do a shout out, also shop card shout out. And okay, let me see here. See if I can adjust the light a little bit. There you go. There's the hood. Firewall, which I will probably get rid of a lot of the molded in stuff on here. There you go, the front fenders. Very nice too. Very, very nice. Oh, the underside of this hood's nice even. Oh, nice, man. This kit so far is pretty cool. We flock our oh, never mind. This is just the chassis part, so let's flip her over. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. It's like steel wheels. Yeah, it looks really good. Looks like we could put white walls on it. Pretty cool. So there's the first three here. So let me see here. And the wheels for the walls. I'll probably go with different wheels because I always do. The glass. Nice glass on this. Let's open up the next tree here. I'm trying to cut these to where I can, oh, I don't want to ruin the Hendry here. To where I can put them back in the plastic here. I don't know how many of you guys have seen one of these kits. But I've got a lot more reviews to do and stuff like that. So here is for where the spare tire goes in the bottom, I think, and a fuel tank. Let's check out this interior. Here's the door cards, which they look really nice and clean. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry fellers. There we go. There you go. The engine, pretty detailed engine. But you know how we do it here, we detail them further, so. Yeah. There's a frame, I like the separate frame thing. Seats look pretty cool. Look pretty detailed, actually. Yeah, this is nice, guys. This is the dash in there, so there must be an insert that goes in there, so that's cool. And the chrome, I'm gonna try to keep the chrome wrapped. There's the insert, because I don't want it marred up at all. There's the alternate grills. So let me see if this will make this better so you guys can see. Yeah, there you go. Alternate grills. Pretty detailed little grills. Let's see here. Bumpers. Must be inside. This thing's detailed, guys. I really like this kit. Yeah, I'm stoked, man. I am stoked. So that's pretty much the kit, and also it's got some decals. Ooh, look at that. It's got transfer chrome. Oh, I love that stuff. Oh, this is gonna be nice, guys. And the decals, we're not gonna do the race car, but we'll use a couple of these decals. So, oh yeah. So this is a pretty cool kit. Let's see if the decal, or the kit instructions are, yeah, they're pretty good. Let's back this thing up a little bit. Sorry, I wasn't really prepared for this video, but you know, I wasn't prepared to get this kit in the mail. But yeah, that's pretty nice. It's typical instructions, you know, they're pretty good. I've got one of the Galaxy box trailers, which I'm really excited to build with the race car. So everybody says these things are good. So, but yeah, this video is already 11 minutes almost. So we'll do another video on that Henry J back there, and you guys can tell me what you guys think of that. But man, I so appreciate this. This is really, really good gift, you know. And like I said, I never ever expected to get this kit, you know. I mean, not for Mike, you know. I didn't think Mike was gonna send me anything, you know, but he did, man. He's awesome. But man, again, Mike, thank you. And we'll see you guys on the next video. I'm not even gonna say why do you watch this crap. Oh yeah, I am. Why do you watch this crap, guys? You guys all take care. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell. Help me out. I'll see you guys on the next vid. Thank you. Bye.